आसता ह्यो गजाली तूं लोकां कडेन सदांच इंटरेक्ट करता, पार्टी भितरूय इंटरेक्ट करता, नॉर्थाचो आसचो काय सावथाचो आसचो, मायनॉरिटींतलो आसलो काय मेजॉरिटींतलो आसचो. How important are these equations while deciding your state president?
See, there are two. They are quite important. Quite important. But at the same time, boro secular, boro munisilo, nobody will object. Person I have said who can connect, who can work for the party, and even I agree with him. Even if the person says 6 years took ticket dupana, you will be only working for the party. If he is told first only, I think there will be people who will take. It's not that there will not be people who will not take it. But one thing is sure, one thing is very important, that person should be able to captivate, take advantage of the situation right now and bring the party back. What Raju Bab says is definitely correct, that just because he has failed, we will be coming into power. No, we have to work, we have to do some sincere work, at the same time pay attention to issues of Goa, where we have missed out. And it is because even they are missing out, that we should have a person who will correct these issues, take it to the mainstream and take it to logical.
South का North असतो? तुझी analysis किती?
I don't think South and North will make a difference. But generally the
party... You are saying that it is important.
No, it is important, no doubt. But
what is your analysis?
My analysis is...
which is better in current political scenario?
See, there is no... I don't think there should be an issue. But
you are evading an answer.
No, I'm not evading answer. But South also, North also, South also, bor allo. Because we have lost South. But then, we have no issue.
इल्लो बरो आशिल्लो म्हणटा सावथाचो क्लियरली सांगता नो इशू म्हणटा.
काँग्रेसीची काही अपॉइंटमेंट करपाची काही गणितां आसात. ते सदां म्हणटात की जर समजा CLP लिडर जर हिंदू आसत जाल्यार पार्टी प्रेसिडेंट कॅथलीक, तो जर नॉर्थाचो आसलो सावथाचो, म्हणजे कोण सावथाचो आयचे परिस्थितीन काँग्रेस करतली.
सावथाचो करप काँग्रेसीक गरजेचें, पॉलिटिकली गरजेचें,
पॉलिटिकल कांय प्रमाणात गरजेचें.
कितें दिसता राजन बाब?
I have made it very clear की साउथ नॉर्थ ऑपरेशन येना.
But it matters,
no, it matters.
You also agree that it matters.
That is being made to appear to matter for selfish purposes. Even caste, everything is being taken for special. Now tell me, every caste has got Bandari Samaj. Every caste, where are the votes going to go? Let's be very clear. People are not fools. This is all reached a saturation point. People are not going to be played with this further nonsense. But my point, one thing, what Raju Bab said, that 6 years a person should not get should not get a ticket.
Yeah, he should be clear that I am going to work for the party for 6 years straight. No expectations of political positions.
1 minute. You are talking of an election for a ticket. Immediately after the ticket is distributed and the elected representatives come in, they cannot meet together and they are all what do you call that, obliged to the person who was the president who gives them ticket. He comes in as chief minister. So it should be very clear that he will not get any minister position.
Not only
that is very important.
So what are you saying? He can contest, but he will not get minister position.
No, he cannot contest, as Raju was saying.
That you are agreeing. You are agreeing that
after getting elected, the majority cannot elect him as chief minister, nor he should be given any minister's position.
So no position at all.
Yes.
Only except the party president position.
Otherwise, you are playing by being party president. You are giving tickets to your people and then coming in from the back door.
That compromises the whole purpose of it.
Yes.
So that should not happen.
That should not happen. That 6 years he cannot hold any government position, ministry position.
Okay. Second गजाल, Raju Bab कितें सध्या मायनॉरिटीतलो आसतो काय मेजॉरिटीतलो आसतो? Let us discuss it thread by.
हांव तुमकां सरळ सांगता की आज तेची गरज ना. आज काँग्रेसीन एक बरो मनीस दिवचो, तो प्रामाणीक आसचो, पक्षाच्या तत्वा कडेन तो सहमत आसचो आनी पक्षा खातीर बरे तरेन काम करपाची म्हत्वाकांक्षा आसची.
जे खंय तरी ह्या खेपेक सालसेतीक जे जालें, बार्देजाक जे जालें, ताका लागून काँग्रेसीक डेफिनेटली भरपूर धक्को बसला. हो जो कॉन्फिडन्स बिल्डिंग परत जावपा जाय, तो मायनॉरिटींतलो आसल्यार बरो न्ही?
अशें ना, म्हजे कोतान तो कोणूय आसपाक शकता. आनी ह्या वेळार जे पळय BJPक पळय जे मतांनी लोकांनी मत घालां ते BJPचे फेवरान घालूं ना. काँग्रेस नाका म्हणून इट्स ए नेगेटीव वोट अगेन्स्ट काँग्रेस. सो त्या नदरेन पळयल्यार खरें जर पार्टी जर संघटना बरी आशिल्ली न्ही जाल्यार ग्रासरूट लेवलाचेर ताणें काँग्रेसीक बरे तरेन जिखोवन हाडप शक्य आशिल्लें.
रिजल्ट दिसना की बार्देस आनी सालसेती भितर जें कितें जालें तें जर पळयलें जाल्यार थंय कॉन्फिडन्स बिल्डिंग करपा खातीर मायनॉरिटी कम्युनिटींतलो अध्यक्ष आसप चड गरजेचें.
ना, हे पार्टीक हें आहा कित्याक बिकॉज द पार्टी लीडर CLP leader is from the majority community, that is the Hindu community. The general president is taken to be that is a Catholic. But last time both were Digamar Kamath and Subhash Shirodkar, both were Hindus. So it is I feel basically people will accept. The people of Goa will accept. They will not look at that
They will not look at majority minority.
No, they will
equation.
not look at that. They will accept, but only with one thing in mind, that he should be acceptable, the person who is elected, for both the communities. Eku bhashin hoitalo na, doni bhashin hoitalo. And I feel ni basically हे आमी फकत hype करतात. कोण हे जाय साउथांतलो नॉर्थांतलो जाय आनी कितें. I'll tell you, one person who can perform is given the presidentship, and if he performs, he should be rewarded. That is one thing sure. He may not be rewarded as a CM or something like that, but one thing, for all his work, he should be rewarded.
दुसरी गजाल जी काँग्रेस सदांच टॉईंग विथ दॅट आयडिया वॉज दॅट एक प्रेसिडेंट आसता आनी एक वर्किंग प्रेसिडेंट आसचो आनी थंय खंय तरी ही इक्वेशनां जाग्यार घालची बिकॉज एकदां लिडर ऑफ ऑपोजिशन म्हणलो की तो इलेक्टेड मनीस आसता थंय मागीर एंटायर लेजिस्लेचर विंगा भितर ताका एक्सेप्टेबिलिटी आसपा जाय रादर देन लेट्स वर्क आउट अ फॉर्म्युला वेर दर इज प्रेसिडेंट एंड वर्किंग प्रेसिडेंट पडटा असली गजाली
हे सगळे कॉम्प्रोमायजीस काँग्रेसीक सदां प्रॉब्लेम जालो तो असो सावथांतलो गेल्यार नॉर्थ पिकार जाता म्हणटा तांकां दिसता आनी नॉर्थ हें सगळें भितरल्यान पयलीं इतले चड लिडर काँग्रेसीन जाल्यात सगळे लोकांक एकोमोडेट करपाचो प्रश्न हो आनी ताका लागून म्हाका दिसता काँग्रेस फसल्या म्हजे कोतान काँग्रेसीन आतां मातशें स्ट्रेट फॉरवर्डान लोकांचें आनी गोंयचें चिंतपाची गरज आसा गोंयचें हे सगळे हाका लागून गोंयची इतली वाट लागल्या की गोंय आतां साल्वार जातलें जाल्यार म्हाका दिसता कोण तरी काँग्रेसीन
शुड बी अ स्ट्रॉंग ऑपोजिशन
Fully agree with him.
बरें राजन बाब हो तुमच्याय पक्षां भितर बोवाळ आहा वर्किंग प्रेसिडेंट आनी प्रेसिडेंट डू यू थिंक दिस फॉर्म्युला इज नेसेसरी इन गोवा
No, don't compare our party with the Congress.
I am not comparing.
No.
I am saying these are the positions which were being talked about in by your leaders also.
No,
whoever you may call the authorities or extra constitutional authorities, whatever.
Let me come to that position. As you have said, this formula has been failed with the Congress. Sardin was appointed working president before the elections, so it failed. So this doesn't function this way. You see. So the question what I am trying to make, or what Regional Bob is saying, that it's like a double speech. He says CLP leader should be Hindu, since it should be Catholic, but Kosla Upkarta. This is where the whole thing collapses because you are not firm itself in your decision. Be very clear. Kosla is also law. Don't bring it that if CLP leader is made a Hindu, he is not.
I beg to differ. I said kono cholta.
1 minute. No, you said
Party ke
afterwards.
stand aha te bashi.
No, you
I
said
said kono cholta. According to me, kono cholta.
No, when he says kono cholta, first he put the proposal saying that since the CLP leader is Hindu,
that is the
then
party's.
1% should be minority party's decision.
Party's.
And please, we are not here to talk what is party. We have to talk what we feel like right now. Otherwise, there is the question of talking here. Everything we will put
So the president working president formula is not
workable.
Effective in Goa.
No, not effective.
Not at all.
No, it's a very small state. How do you do it?
Then I will correct myself. Kono cholta. Person who will perform is the most important, utmost right now.
दुसरी गजाल आनी एक म्हत्वाचो विशय की सदांच सगळे जाण आयले की विचारले कसो आसपा जाय म्हणजे क्लीन इमेजीचो आसपा जाय बॅकग्रावंड बरो आसपा जाय अशें आसतात आतां ज्या लोकांक मतदारांनी उडयले फाटली इलेक्शनां डेफिनेटली तांगेले कितें तरी धड नाशिल्ले म्हणूनच उडयले काँग्रेसी कडेन अशी क्लीन प्रतिमा सारकी आनी तुगेले स्वच्छ चारित्र्य अशी आसात राजू बाबा खरें सांग
आसात खूब आसात
आनी तांकां एक
इनफॅक्ट फेस आसतलें अशे खूब लोक आसात जे पार्टी सादे वर्कर म्हणून जॉईन जाल्यात ते मागीर युथ काँग्रेसीन आयल्यात युथ काँग्रेसींतल्यान ते ताजे पयलीं स्टुडंट मुवमेंटान ताणें आसात युथ काँग्रेसींतल्यान ते फुडें आयल्यात पार्टीचे पोजिशन घेतले असे खूब लोक आसात आनी जे पार्टीन दिले ते कामूय करत मुखाट्यान काम करीत रावल्यात असे खूब निश्ठावान आनी बरे लोक आसात आनी तांचे विचार काँग्रेस करूं शकता इनफॅक्ट करपाक जाय
सी इमेज म्हणटा पळय ती इमेज वोटराचे काळ जावन आसूंक जाय आय विल कंपेर ए वोटर दॅट इज वॉट आय हॅव सेड इन द बिगिनिंग द प्रेसिडेंट शूड एबल टू कॉन्फिडेंटली गेट द लव ऑफ द वोटर इट इज जस्ट लायक ए गर्ल अँड बॉय ती इमेज बरी पळोवन तूं केन्ना म्हणटलो अरे चेडूं खंयच्या ह्या चेड्या फाटल्यान कित्याक आसा रे तें बट शी लव्स यू सो यू रिक्वायर अ लीडर हू कॅन क्रिएट ए कॉन्फिडन्स दॅट वॉज डिजेक्टेड इन द वोटर दॅट मूव फ्रॉम 2002
irrespective of his background
irrespective of anything what is the background when the girl loves the boy doesn't see the background it just loves the boy when the parent tells it the boy is a criminal she says definitely but I love him the matter is closed.
Trajan Wab is giving me a very romantic picture of appointment of a GPCC president. You believe in
comparing love and politics.
Are you believe in romanticism of politics like that?
I am comparing the voters' attitude towards
leader,
towards the party or leader. It is because of love somehow.
नाही पण मोग असतो दोळे दापून जाता.
See, it is like
लोक जर दोळे दापून लीडर मत मारपा लागले तर आयची परिस्थिती जातली.
No.
I will correct one statement. I will correct one statement.
Yeah.
In politics, it's not about the clean image. It's about being it is about being,
Acceptability?
no, it is about being less corrupt. It is being about less from the worst.
So that means you are
It is-
no,
one
that
second,
means
one second, one second,
you are
one second.
agreeing
One
that
second.
there are not clean image contestants for this post in your party.
No. I'm
So it
correct.
is about who is less
One
corrupt,
second,
who is
one
lesser
second.
devil.
One second. No. In politics,
devil.
please remember.
Lesser devil.
Let
what
us
he's
remember.
telling,
You can I ask you one thing? You think Parivartan happened in BJP without money? Means Parigar didn't take money from anybody.
Let's
One second.
keep BJP aside.
One second.
In
one
your
second.
party,
Okay, in my that's why I said.
Do you have leaders who are 100% clean?
Yes, there will be leaders.
There
who
will be.
There will be.
There
and
are
there
not.
are. There will be. And there are. Because out of the new group, they have not been. Those who have not seen power, they have not seen any corruption. But among the congressmen, there are leaders who have.
But for now, you'll have to settle on a less corrupt, lesser devil.
Maybe.
Who can take the party ahead?
No, see, like what he said, there should be a love and hate relation, like a girl.
You
Girl
are
and
also
boy.
romanticizing
No, I'm not
politics.
romanticizing. But one thing, the person should be acceptable. And should
Acceptability
be
will be the criteria.
Acceptability will be the
Acceptable
main
to
criteria.
MLAs दिसतं मला.
No,
Acceptable to
not
whom?
MLAs. To the MLAs, to the GPCC, more important to two things: the people of Goa and the issues of Goa.
राजू बाब लास्ट पार्टाचे वचपी म्हाका सांग हे रोमेंटिसिझम दोन्ही पॉलिटिशियन्साचे आणि दोन्ही अलायन्स पार्टनरांचे दे आर बोथ ऑन एटलीस्ट अलायन्स पार्टनर्स आर रोमेंटिसायझिंग अबाउट पॉलिटिक्स
रोमेंटिसायझिंग खरें म्हळ्यार सुरू केल्लें
हय.
हांव आयडियलिझमाचेर उलोवपाक लागलो पार्टी कशी आसची तत्वां कशी आसची बी
They took it to a whole- all at a different level.
चड मुखार गेले आनी दोगूय जाणां पूर्ण खबर आहा की ते हांगा तुजे मुखार उलयता म्हणून इल्ले मातशे ते सादूर जावन उलयतात
हय
पूण म्हजे कोतान अशें की हें सगळें शक्य आसा आनी हें सगळें इतले खातीर शक्य आसा की आमचे कडेन खंयच्याच पॉलिसीज ना म्हणजे आमचे पॉलिसीज उद्योगपती ठरयतात आमची पॉलिसीज टुरिजम लॉबी ठरयता आमचे पॉलिसीज कन्स्ट्रक्शन बिझनेस ठरयता आनी पॉलिटिशियन येतात ते फक्त तांच्या हातांतली बावली जाल्यात म्हणून म्हाका दिसता आज कोणें तरी मुखार सरून लोकां कडेन वायटपण घेवन पक्षाची निश्ठा पक्षाची प्रामाणीकपण लोकांक जे पळय कितें जाय गोंय साल्वार करून ते फर्म स्टँड घेवन मुखार वचप आनी म्हाका दिसता 5 वर्सां आनीक काँग्रेस भायर उरले आतां पूण जी पळय तावून सुकाळून जी येतली ती बरी
Agree on
पार्टी
that.
Yes.
ओके म्हाका लास्ट पार्ट सांगात यंग असतो काय ओल्ड असतो
यंग आसचो
यंग असतो ओल्ड नासतो
नाचचो
यंग काय ओल्ड
I again told you, it's the capabilities.
यंग और ओल्ड
The capabilities.
ओल्ड स्कूल और न्यू स्कूल
No, there is no old and new school in
See,
politics.
Alex comes from a school where he openly says की चल 5 वर्षां भायर असल्या कोता येता पक्ष बांधया.
No, but an old.
I know an old school person will not speak like that in Congress.
No,
you
there
know
are-
that.
No. See, it will start speaking if the top high command teaches them how to speak. If you have taught them the language, then you
Raju
can-
Babu is saying that he should have an independent stature to take decisions and crack down on illegalities.
When you say old,
Yeah.
can you define what is that old you are talking about? What is the age limit you are saying? What is it?
So there is no defined old age limit in
No, I am
politics.
trying to tell you, it is old gets you maturity, and he can command more respect than the young. This is my observation.
So you are going with old.
I am going with a person who can take the people.
Okay. Old or
I
young?
am young. I am
Young.
going with young people.
Yes.
I am going with young person with capability and being able to take the people of Goa and the issues of Goa into confidence. That is going to be the mantra.
इतल्याचेर हांव सांगयता म्हाका दिसता लास्ट हातूंत भितर खुबश्यो गजाली क्लियर जाल्यात इट इज 2 versus 1 दोग जाणांनी यंग आसचो म्हणा जाल्यार ट्राजन बाब म्हणटा विथ एज कम्स पर्स्पेक्टीव सो इतल्याचेर आमी थांबतात लोकांक हातूंतल्यान जो पर्स्पेक्टीव मेळपा जाय तो मेळ्ळा अशें धरून चलतात तुमी तिगी जाण आयले आनी मतां मांडली थँक्स अ लॉट पळयत रावात प्रुडंट नमस्कार